Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the in-depth review of Hero GoPro 12, which I've been using from the last 8 months, and I think I just got the gist of every features that this camera is packed with. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the cons and pros of this camera and its performance, is daylight camera quality, and also its low light camera quality. So if you have any confusion that whether you should buy this camera or not, hang on till the end of this video, because I am definitely sure that all of your confusions are going to be cleared out in this video. So let's start this video without further ado. Let's first of all talk about the unboxing experience. The packaging of GoPro Hero 12 was pretty standard. First of all, we got the GoPro itself, a battery, a USB-C cable, and also an helmet mount in the box. That's it, nothing else. So the build quality of Hero GoPro 12 is just like its predecessors. That is, it's rugged, which is a signature design of GoPro. And because of this rugged design, it is waterproof up to 10 meters, which is very impressive because it is waterproof up to 10 meters without any additional casing. Now let's talk about the ports and buttons on the Hero GoPro 12. So on the right side we have this power button, which also changes the mode from video to time lapse or to the photo mode. And we have 12 black logo on the right side as well. On the back side, of course, we have a large screen with GoPro written on the left side of the screen, and on the right side we have a clean side here. On the top we have a capture button and a single microphone, and on the bottom we have this mount attachment, internal mount attachment available as well. And on the front side we have a small screen which is very helpful for vloggers, and a GoPro logo below the screen. And below the camera lens we have a speaker in case you want to play back your videos that you captured on GoPro and check them out immediately from the camera. Let's talk about the lens on the GoPro Hero 12. So this is a 27 megapixel lens which is capable of recording at 5.3K 60 frames per second, which is very impressive. As you can see in this footage, the video is very crisp and the resolution is very high. I doubt you would have any display that can play back in 5.3K. At least most of you will not have it. Now here is some footage that I took with Hero GoPro in different modes present in it. You be the judge whether you like these videos or not. And also I will be recording the audio from its native mic without any attachments. So this is the recording on GoPro Hero 12 at 4K 50 FPS HDR mode on, and you can see the colors are very accurate in this footage, and the voice is also being recorded from the GoPro itself. Also, the GoPro Hero 12 comes with HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, which does make a difference when you are on the move. We're doing the shake test while running of this GoPro Hero 12 to test out the HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization. So let's run. I will additionally shake up the camera to see how the footage will turn out to be. So now the video is being recorded at 5.3K at 50 FPS. You can see that in comparison of HDR mode, the colors are a bit off now because in 5.3K we don't have HDR support. But still the video quality looks very crisp. You can judge by your own. So now this is low light videography on GoPro Hero 12. As you can see that the quality diminishes a lot at in low light conditions. It's not as great as it was in the daylight conditions. I am currently filming this indoors where the light is a bit lesser. Only one bulb is turned on right now, but still the quality is very bad. In comparison, I will shoot a low light video on my Xiaomi 14 and I will show you how good night videography this phone takes. So this is the night videography on Xiaomi 14, and you can see that it retains a lot of details as compared to GoPro Hero 12 in low light conditions. And by the way, if you want a detailed review of this phone, do mention in the comment section. Now let's talk about the UI on the Hero GoPro 12. So first of all, by swiping to the right, you can go to the time-lapse menu and you can shoot the fast motion videos here. And by clicking on the time warp option down on the screen, you can open the settings in which you want to capture your video. You can select the aspect ratio, resolution, lens, in which lens you want to capture your video, everything, speed, shutter, zoom in, everything can be selected from the settings of the video. And by swiping towards left, you will be redirected back to the video option, and by swiping left once again, you will be on the photo mode. You can also switch between different modes by just clicking on the power button once. Like I will click once, so I am in time-lapse mode. I will click once more, then I will be in the video mode. And also by swiping up, you will be in the playback menu. So let's go back to the camera and swipe it down. And now by swiping down once again, you will be in the setting menu of the camera. Here you will find every setting that you want to use. Like if you want to set up the max lens, you have to click here, or if you want to transfer your files to your phone via quick app that is of GoPro, of course, you can pair the device by clicking here, or you can go to the preference as well, where you will find all the other necessary settings that you want to use. So the UI on the GoPro 12 is very friendly. Now let's talk about some major cons of this camera, which can be a deal breaker for some of you guys as well. So first of all, I realized a number of times that when I have been recording video using this camera for more than 20 minutes, it becomes extremely hot. And it's not just a little bit hot which we can handle, it becomes so hot that it becomes painful to hold the camera in the hand, which is a big deal breaker for me at least. Even though GoPro claimed that its battery life is larger than its predecessors, on average it will give you a runtime of around 60 to 90 minutes, which is very low as compared to its competitors. Also, the biggest factors which can be a deal breaker for many people is its price range. As compared to its competitors, GoPro Hero 12 is expensive. So yeah, it can be a deal breaker as well. So in my opinion, if you are looking for a camera which can take great daylight videos at higher resolution and that too at higher frame rates, then you should definitely go for GoPro Hero 12, because it will also take the videos in HDR mode as well. But if you are looking for a camera which you can use at low light conditions, or you are looking for a camera in budget, then you should definitely look for other cameras in the market. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, do hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel, and comment down in the comment section below what you think about this GoPro Hero 12. I will see you in the next video.